it will come very close. This smoke, so
It is coming very
better
close.
start it up. Turn us around already. Turn the S. Turn
I
us.
thought we were going to go around to the other side.
Turn us around. Turn us around. Get the nose.
I thought we were going to go to the other side and get the...
Man.
Oh, wow, look how big,
There,
how
look at
big
that.
that is.
Next one.
Small one. I want to some rocks, can't we go?
We get rocks. We get rocks from the other side. You're hooked on the line there. You're hooked on the rope.
Pretty amazing, this crater here at Brimstone Pit, where we see it does come and go, and I don't know what the frequency of the eruptions are. It's continuously erupting, but it does pulse whether it's more vigorous than other times. And I don't know what it is. It's maybe every 5 minutes, and immediately before eruption we commonly see the CO2 bubble streaming, and then the eruption will take over where the sulfur-dominated plume gets huge with a lot of ejecta, and those ejecta are often quite flat, so we're seeing all these flat discus-shaped bombs, and that'll go for a minute or so, and then it'll just quieten down, and the plume will be much less yellow, and then here it goes big, right towards the submarine this time, enveloped by the plume. Oh, a lot of sulfur. You can see it just streaming down there. Incredible. Look at these incredible plumes. Look at, this is a huge explosion. This is the biggest one we've seen so far. The whole thing is going nuts. Look at that. And we've seen glowing lava previously, not this time. I think it's all in there. We just can't see it. Enormous amounts of ash coming out. Wow, this is the biggest eruption. So we've been here for about an hour, I think, something like that, and this is by far the biggest eruption.